Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Optimizer. I'm Rajat and today we are going to discuss about command pattern. So again it is a behavior design pattern. What do we do in command patterns? Basically request or operation are basically treated as standalone object. What do I mean by that? Okay, consider the case. Okay, consider the case. You are using a smart remote, okay, remote control device. This is a smart remote control device. Now there is this TV, there are these light. Now on the basis of mode you have selected, basically the TV mode or light mode. So basically you can turn on the TV, turn on, turn off, turn it off. Similarly turn the light on, turn the light off. Or it could be here one more, could be like fan, turn on the fan, turn off the fan. Then in that case this command pattern is useful. You won't kept on making like different classes for them, basically feature class for them. Okay, now what we'll do and pass it to remote control. No, you won't do it. You won't create multiple buttons like turn light on, turn light off, turn fan on, turn fan off, turn TV on, turn TV off. No, you won't do that. So there is another way. Basically, there would be just two remotes. Now the basically you can say the receiver to pass will be passed here. Okay, in this remote. Now it would be on the basis of like mode. I was mentioning this is mode. This is TV mode, or you can say mode is nothing, just the receivers of the command we are going to execute. Turn on or turn off. There would be just two buttons: turn on or turn off. Now the mode you are selecting, basically it could be TV, fan, or light. On the basis of what the receiver you have selected, basically this command will be executed. So this is the main idea behind this remote control, sorry, this command pattern. So its structure also looks like this only. There would be an invoker in our case was remote. Then there would be commands which would be act as standalone objects. Now this is just an interface, their implementation. Now there would be an receiver. In our case that would be fan or light or TV. Okay. Now let's see the same through our code example. So suppose so first of all we have created receivers. So this is a fan and light we have created. We can add more also. Okay, light is on, light is off, and fan is on, fan is off. Now suppose we have created like so by the way there would be a common for all the command object. There would be this common function. You can keep it some, name it somewhere else, something else also. So this is an execute, basically execute the command. Now there would be certain implementation: turn off command, turn off light, turn on light command, then turn off fan command. We can create uh, uh, turn off fan command also. Okay, let's go ahead with these only for now. Now there would be an invoker is a remote control. So we will provide them basically the command, and then this will basically will do this press button. Now this will execute like which command to execute. Okay, and on what object, that we will provide here. Now that we will set uh, in this basically invoker that we are going to set. So consider here. Okay, now consider the case like we have created these two, first of all two receivers we have created, fan and light object we have created. Now we have created certain commands: light on, light off, fan on. Okay, now this is an invoker remote control object we have initiated, the initialized. And now what we are doing, first of all we are setting the command. This is light on, then just pressing the button. Now the press button, what it will be doing for that particular command, it would be running that execute method. So if you'll go here, just running command execute method. So similarly when the mode is selected to light off, then it will just do this, else it will do this. Okay, So in this case, like in this particular example, what we are doing, we just have a single button now for both on, off, or fan on or fan off. We would have just a single button on the remote. We are just choosing the mode basically. What do I mean by mode? Just a command we are choosing. Okay, light or fan. There I was mentioning. So I think it'll just run this. If I just run it, yeah, light is on, light is off, fan is on. So I think this is the actual idea behind it. We have already covered the structure part of it. So yeah, that's all from this video. If you have any question, you can just let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for joining. Till then, please like, share, subscribe.